Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again, tap on Font, and swipe left or right on Font Size slider in order to adjust it. When you finished, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!